Here you go. It's dirty. Here you go. The birds will enjoy this. Yay. I will get the happiness all ups. Come on, ups. Now I can breed Anaya. Love. So breed. Oh, I don't have enough money. I need more monies. Okay, there you go. Let's go to our cage of flamingos. Oh, it's 32, but they have enough food. Okay, we just have to clean this. The birds will enjoy this. Also, cage for budgies. Let's go back. Do you want to be floating? I don't think you want to be floating. I think you can just go around here. Okay, here you go. Relay stick. There you go. 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 Looks like one big stick. It can hold many birds. Gracie and Pachua. Okay, family tree. Pachua and Dolly equal Paco. Pachua and Gracie can do this. Reading chance. Okay, I got a dead egg. Colorful egg, I think. Okay, first speed up. Yeah. We just have to wait until it finishes hatching. Oh, free speed up actually. Ooh. You're hungry, right? Okay. That's what I guess. I want to breed my flamingos. That's the next thing I'm gonna breed occasionally. I don't have enough monies. Need more monies. Black budgie, yellow budgie, yellow flamingo, white budgie. Ooh, I'm gonna buy a white budgie. That's cool. White budgie. White budgie. It's a white budgie. Ooh, white budgie. Here we go. White budgie. One is male and one is female. There you go. Oh, free speed up. Daisy and Cubby. Please be the colorful thing. Okay. Will it be colorful? Free speed up. Oh, it's just a white bird. Happiness is up. Oh, free speed up. There you go. Cage for flamingos. Oh, they're not so happy. I have to tickle them a little bit. Okay. They're fine now. Nothing to do here. I guess that's gonna be the end of the video. If there's nothing to do, then so bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye bye. Yeah. Bye bye.